Hello everyone, how you all are doing? I really hope you all are doing well and safe, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell button next to it so that you will be notified every time I put up a new video. So guys, in today's video, I am going to share what I got from Myntra Diwali sale. So Myntra is having their Diwali sale and you are getting up to 80% off, and I have grabbed some amazing outfit for myself, and I have also got one pair of sandal which you're gonna see in this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video now. So guys, the first thing which I bought is this beautiful jacket set, and this is from the brand Anook, and Anook is my go-to brand. Like whenever I want to shop some Indo-Western, I always go to Anook because they are not gonna compromise on their quality. They have amazing quality products and I just love their quality. So this is a pure cotton 3-piece set, and you're gonna get one top, palazzo and a sleeveless jacket. It's a wonderful combo and I just love this combo. So guys, it's a plain black top which you're getting in this set, which has a round neck and quarter sleeve. The sleeve is not quarter, it is a little above from your elbow and it gets wider from the end. And this is the jacket which you get in the set, and it is like full length ethnic jacket. It has gray and black stripe design going on, and it has also red piping in the front, and you're getting like 2 slits both the side. And I really like the jacket guys. It's a wonderful jacket, and you can also like pair it in some other way and style it some other way. So it's a wonderful combo, and you're also getting one palazzo. It's a basic palazzo and the fitting and everything is so good. And this is what it looks like from the back. It has like stripe design going on all over, and the material and everything is so good guys, and I just love it. Right now it's out of stock. I have just searched it out and I found it, it's out of stock, but I'm gonna link it below, and if you ever find it, just get your hands on it. It's a wonderful Indo-Western dress. And the next thing which I bought from there is this beautiful blue and white printed straight kurta, and it is from the brand W. So what happened is, I recently discovered, not like discovered, I already know the existence of W, but I bought from there for the first time, and oh my god, I am already in love with the kurta guys. Like I love their designs. Their designs speaks out on its own, and it has something, like it has some essence on it, and I just love everything about their designs. So I bought 2 of it. First one is this one, and the second one you are gonna see later on, and I just love everything. And most probably you're gonna see a lot of kurtas in my future videos from W brand. So guys, it is blue and white printed straight kurta with sequined detail, and it has round neck, 3/4 sleeve, straight hem and side slit. And the material which they are mentioned on the app is viscose rayon, but it's not viscose rayon. It has like satin material, and the material is pretty comfortable on the skin, and it has like a gotapati work going on and some print which makes the whole outfit put together in a very beautiful way. So guys, it has round neck and the authentic W design going on in front, and it has like gotapati work and sequin detailing in front, and it has also like gotapati work going on the sleeve as well. And the design and everything is so appropriate for this festive season. You can just wear this one and you're gonna rock the party, and I just love everything about this kurta, and the color is so beautiful and so soothing, and I just love it guys. And guys, the original price of this kurta is $14.99, but I got it at rupees 599 after 60% discount. guys, the next thing which I bought is this beautiful pair of heels, and it is from the brand Lavi. It is women beige solid heel, and it is like open toe heel with embellished detail. So guys, these kind of heels are very much in trend right now, and they look absolutely stunning, and it has like embellishment going on the heels, so all the focus will be on the heels, and the upper layer is kind of basic and plain. It has regular styling and open back detail, and I bought it in block heels, so I can't really walk in pencil heels. I hate those kind of heels, and it always gives me shoe bite, and I really can't prefer that. And this is very comfortable. It's in block heels, and it has like cushioned footbed and textured pattern outsole, so it's very comfortable. You can actually run with run with that, and I absolutely love this one. It's very comfy, and the material of this heel is synthetic, and the original price of this one is 36.99, but I bought it at rupees 665 after I guess 75% off. So yeah. And the next thing is this women blue and white printed straight kurta, and it is also from the brand W. So I already told you how much I love this brand and the kurta. So this is how it looks like. This is my second one, and this is beautiful, guys. Like the color combination and everything is beautiful. It has like gotapati work going on, and in like neck design there's also coin work. I don't know what to call that, but it is like coin shaped sequence going on, and it has also gotapati work going on the sleeve like earlier, and this is how it looks like. It is like printed kurta, and it looks stunning, and I really like it. And the material of this kurta is 100% cotton, and the material is very comfortable, guys. Like it is very buttery, and it's comfortable. And the original price of this one is 12.99, but I bought it at rupees 519 after 60% off. And the last thing from this haul is this beautiful maxi dress, and I love wearing maxi dress. It's very comfortable, and especially in summer, like hot summer, it gives me like flowy vibe, beachy vibe, and it's very flowy and very comfortable. So I really love wearing maxi dresses. So yeah, this is from the brand Gerua, and oh my god, guys, if you haven't checked it out, Gerua brand for maxi dresses, you have to check it out. They have amazing collection of maxi dresses, and I really love their collection. So this is green printed woven maxi dress with a tie-up detailing going on, and it has like round neck, 3/4 sleeve, and flared hem. It's very flary, and the material of this one is viscose rayon. And especially the material is so good, so comfortable. It feels like a butter, and it's very comfortable on the skin. And I really like the color combination. It has like mint green color and brown color, which like coordinate each other very well, and I really like the like summery print on it. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you like this video and you enjoy watching these kind of videos, and do let me know which one is your favorite from this haul. I would love to know your feedback, and if you have any video request, just do let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to make a video out of it. And as always, all the links will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, and follow me on my Instagram. I would love to see you guys there as well. I will leave my Instagram handle down in the description box below. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't already and press the bell button so that you will be notified every time I put up a new video. And I'll see you super soon in my brand new video. Till then, you all stay happy. Bye bye.